of our audio clips in the blog videos. So it's called freestockmusic.com. I've looked at several, and a lot of these websites, they only give you a couple of downloads until you have to start a subscription, which costs money, yada yada. So I have found that this has been the best resource for me to use because I haven't gotten a limit on downloads. So here's what I do. So depending on what the subject is for the content of the video, I kind of go to the all categories section and watch that drop down and go through all of the different choices of types of music that they have. They have a lot. There's no shortage of great kind of choices for them. I like going to the children's section. Once you go to that, you're going to hit search. And each video tells you, like, this one's corporate children's. Some of the corporate ones sound a little different to me, but just to listen to them, all you do is hit the play button. It loads it. It tells you how long the song is, and then it starts playing. Now, that one might be the clip that you wanted, or maybe you wanted something a little different. You could go to moods or tempo. Some of them do cost money, so you have to be careful which ones you're clicking on. But for the most part, these don't cost anything. So there are several pages you could go through, look them up. Once you found the clip that you wanted or the audio clip that you want, all you do is hit free download to MP3, and it brings you over to this tab. You scroll down, and then I always hit the free download MP3 file. So I hit that, and then up here on my screen it tells me that it's downloading. I click out of that. So I go to that down arrow button when it's finished, and I double click, and it'll bring it up in my iTunes or music app in my on my Mac. So it's gonna play from here. I just hit the pause button and I pull up my my video that I want it to be in. I go to the audio, and let's remember what this is called. So it's called Sunshine Day. So let's go to our iMovie and come down until we see where the song is played. Sunshine Day. Here we are. Okay, so maybe you want that. Drag and drop, just like we did with our previous one. We don't want that to overlap, so we're going to bring it right there. Let's see how that plays out. Okay, perfect. So maybe it's too loud and we want to turn the volume of the audio clip down. You can see the double arrows pointing away from each other. One's pointing up, one's pointing down, and it says adjust volume. All you do is click that and you can drag it down or up, and it controls the volume. You can also do that up here with the speaker button. You can drag this up and down, and as you can see, it adjusts the sound to your audio clip. Hope that helped.